Greetings my fellow LEGO fans, welcome back to my channel, and yeah, nearly ho ho ho, Christmas just a few days to go, and yeah, so it's pretty cold outside. Well, here in our area, no snow, but it's at least really cold, and yeah, so I would say grab yourself a nice cup of, don't know, coffee, tea, hot cocoa, maybe something with a little bit more kick. So, yeah, cheers. And I would say, what's better to do when the weather outside is ugly? Right, do something nice inside. So, and what I'm gonna do, I guess you can already guess it. Right, I'll build a Lego set. And not any Lego set, it's a really beautiful set, a really great idea. I hope they will continue in that direction with something, at least the coming years. I'll simply show you what I'm talking about. It's a gift with purchase from this year, so I guess most of you will already know. No, it's not the ice skating rink, it's the homage to Charles Dickens. I guess that's what it's called. Well, the book, A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens, with the scene where Cratchit and Tiny Tim are inside and Ebenezer Scrooge is coming to the door. Don't know if it's right at the end when he's coming with the goods. He's looking rather serious, let's call it that way. So I guess that could be when he's telling Cratchit he needs to come. Forget Christmas, bah, humbug, just go, work, 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 money, money, money. So, but he'll learn in the end. And I think that's a really beautiful set. As far as I've seen pictures of it by now, it's really nicely done. And yeah, also got this little, here you can see the secret compartment, little drawer. That's a nice idea. So yeah, and without any further ado, I think I'll simply open this nice box and take out the pieces, and then we'll see where we go from there. I guess we'll go to building. So let's open this nice box. So, and here's what's inside the box. 4 bags of different sizes with all the pieces. I already can see a few prints, well, at least one. The wooden printed round tile. Maybe we'll find something more. Sadly, we also get stickers. Would be cool if at least the title would have been a print. That would have been really awesome. But okay. And of course the instructions. A nice upright booklet. So that's really sweet. And yeah, no numbers, so I guess it's throw out all the pieces at once, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do now. So let's have a look at what pieces we'll get with this set. So yeah, here are all the pieces. Wouldn't have guessed that there are so many pieces in this set. Yeah, it took quite some time to lay them out. And yeah, of course we get some special pieces. First of all, the really nice minifigs here, Scrooge, Cratchit and Tiny Tim. Scrooge also with his umbrella, and for Timmy we got the scarf. That's really nice. I'll show you the figs in a second. And some pieces. We got some modified bricks with studs on the sides in different shapes. That's really cool. And Then we get a few of those nice windows. It's also nice. Of course, it's a scenery of the house, so you need windows. And for the windows, we got those. What are they called? Oops, now they're fallen. So yeah, that's what we get. Then this sweet lantern, a nice piece. Then a few of those bigger 1x1 pieces, various types of brackets, those plate-like ones, and the broad one. So then we get those bricks with the riffled, or whatever you call this stuff. I think it's called flute. At least on the round bricks, it's called round brick with flute, so maybe here too. I have no idea. And then we also get some really beautiful masonry bricks. They're always nice. So then, yeah, modified brick, whatever this may be called. But it looks really cool. And I love it. Got a few in gold from the Pick a Brick wall. Then those, is it a modified plate or a modified tile? Well, at least this flat 2x2 with 2 studs on top. A few of the flames for the candles. A whole bunch of those 1x1 slopes. And really cool. Guess it's for the street lamp. A clear minifig head. Really nice. So, and the only print, but at least we get 2 of them. The wood print 2x2 round tile. A nice piece. So yeah, that's it for the pieces. And yeah, I think let's simply start building. First with the figs, and then I'll show them in a second. So let's start the joy. So yeah, and here are our 3 minifigs. I'll show them a bit closer, so you can have a better look at them. First up, we get Scrooge. Come on, focus. Yep. Really cool. Well, the shadow, you can see a lot of his face. So now, here's his face. Looks a bit grim, but yeah, that's Scrooge. Got a little bit of back printing. Also nice. So next up, Cratchit with his nice green vest. Come on. So you have him. A really nice minifig. Cool torso print. Also on his back. Come on. Yeah. Really nice. Has only the one face. So, and last but not least, here we get Tiny Tim with his scarf and a stick for his, I guess it's called a crutch. Of course, looks a bit sad, a bit worried. And Tim also has back printing and also a second face. It looks really sad. It's also a bit dirty. So how sad. So, and that's it for the 3 really nice minifigs in this set. And yeah, what's left to do? Correct! We get to build it! Well, I get to build it, you get to watch it, as always. So I'll have all the fun of building, and you'll have the fun of watching, so win-win. Let's call it that. And well, let's simply start right away. So, haha, ho ho ho. Let's get story time going. So yeah, and here we have the finished set, the nice little book. We also got quite a few extra pieces, really nice. So, and yeah, instructions we don't need anymore. Let's put them away. So, and yeah, that's the nice set. Really cool interior with the fireplace and the picture. A little non-decorated, really poor looking tree. And yeah, Scrooge is looking inside through the window. We could put the spirit of Christmas, Christmas ghost or whatever they are called, right behind him, so he shows Scrooge what's going on at the Cratchit family. And yeah, it's really nice. It's also nice that they really designed the outside here in a nice way, and also the backside, the house front, the facade with the roof, the shingles with snow, and also the roof. That's really nice. And the fireplace with the candles and the wreath. Yeah, cool set. Also the stickers you had to place, where the wall painting is broken off, and you can see the bricks underneath. Also on the outside you have those stickers. That's a really nice feature. It looks just too nice. Really awesome. Just gotta love it. The minifigs are really sweet, and yeah, also the little drawer inside, really cool. Yeah, that's a really sweet set, really nice to build, looks really great. Awesome for every book fan, and just as Christmas decoration or whatever. Just really great. that's the kind of gift with purchase you always want. Ah, the secret compartment is so nice. A cool idea. Otherwise you would just have an empty block, and so you can put something inside and hide it. Really cool. So yeah, that's it for this set. And that's it already for this video. Hope you liked it, and yeah, if you like my videos, you should definitely subscribe to my channel. Would be really great. And you could also hit the bell button, ding ding, and YouTube will let you know when the next video is up. And what else? Yeah, it's cold outside, so grab yourself a hot beverage. Cheers! Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye!